If you're watching this video, there's a very strong chance that you are suffering from psoriasis, or you have got a close relative or a friend who suffers from psoriasis. So today I'm going to give you an amazing approach on how you can work with crystals. You hold a crystal and you can actually use the vibrations to get your liver and your kidneys working better, which will improve your psoriasis. So probably not many people will have this approach because they don't understand the power of rocks and crystals. Now, when you go to what I call a lapidary shop or crystal shop, I was explained that by a very capable lady from Singapore with 30 years with stones and crystals, and she knew exactly what was going on. And she said to me, when you go to a crystal shop, whatever your eyes get captured by, that's the one you buy, because that's the one that's going to agree with you. So I'm going to show you an Australian crystal. You notice the blue and the gold there, right? So this is a very calming crystal. So when you've got anxiety to do with psoriasis, or for that matter lack of sleep or whatever, what you do is you hold this crystal like that, right? And you look at the blue. Look at the blue, very calming, and that will just settle you down. It's amazing how calming that is, right? Now you can either use it like that, or you can also, if you've got psoriasis on your arms, you could use it by putting the crystal against the psoriasis and just keep moving it, and that will send the vibrations into your skin and get your skin active. Quite a remarkable approach, and believe me, it works. This one's unusual because you've got the blue, you've got the gold, and you've got the bronze. So it's a very powerful crystal, right? And you can have many types like that. You can have jade, and they all have an anxiety reducing factor. So if you find this video useful, please share the link with others and subscribe to our channel. On the right of the word subscribe, there's a bell icon. Click on the bell icon and select all. You'll then receive notification each time we release a new video, which is updated, which will be on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays.